Ooh, talking about the best box cake.
Hello everybody, welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today everybody, we have our lemon cake, everybody. Yes, this is our packed lemon cake. Now, we added the buttermilk in there instead of water. This, box cake mix, Duncan Hines, of course. But we're not being sponsored, but I just want to say you just add in buttermilk instead of the water, and you still add your 3 eggs, and you add in some vanilla, everybody. Then we have our powdered sugar here with a little bit of lemon juice for twang, everybody. So now that the cake is now cooled off, we're going to go ahead and ice our cake. Now, the reason why I'm not turning the cake over is because, everybody, we're going to eat it from out the pan. This is how we do it. It's going to be gone by the end of the day anyway. I'm not going to turn it over. I just want the moisture of the icing to go underneath to the bottom, everybody. I poked holes in it when it was hot all around the cake because I want this goody right here to go right down into the crevices to the bottom of this cake. Now, everybody, I love the twang of lemon cake, everybody. My other secret is after I poke the holes up in there, like I just showed you guys a few seconds, I just want to say this. I added in some lemon juice on top of that after I put the holes in the cake, everybody. Yes, I sure did. Now we're adding in this powdered sugar goody here, okay? And I just want to say, this is a nice romantic thing to have for Valentine's Day. It don't have to be a red velvet cake or a strawberry cake. It could be a lemon cake. Lemon cake is very sexy. Do you know why it's sexy? It's because it has a twang for that love. Okay, everybody? I'm just going to keep it like that. I was going to rhyme it, but I'm going to go there. But anyway, this is our hacked lemon supreme cake, everybody. I hope you like it. If you like what you see, hit that like, share, and subscribe button below. And we're going to do some more goody. We're going to go ahead and cut a piece on out. Look at this. Ooh, I can just feel it. Give me a cup of tea, some lemon tea, and it's going down. Look at this, everybody. Look at this. Look at that, everybody. Isn't that beautiful? Look at this. Look how moist it is, everybody. See that? I just wanted to show you that this was easy to do, and it's just mouth-watering. Look at them. Ooh, look at the icing. All right, you guys. Just wanted to show that to you.
How'd you like it? Grandmother, this was one of the most flavorful, sour, sweet cakes that I've had in a long time. It was really good. I'm so glad you enjoyed it. It was fun making it. So you can turn those cake boxes into some fabulousness like this. Follow us more on YouTube for more secrets.